Our planet is warming. This warming is changing the climate, and these changes are happening faster than ever before. Scientists call this climate change. It's like turning up the heat on a stove. The Earth is getting hotter. This warming affects everything on Earth, from the air we breathe to the oceans we rely on. Climate change is a serious problem. It's not just about hotter summers, it's about extreme weather, rising sea levels, and threats to plants and animals. We've all seen the news reports of devastating hurricanes, wildfires, and floods. These events are becoming more frequent and intense because of climate change. The impacts of climate change are felt worldwide, from the melting ice caps in the Arctic to the droughts in Africa. We must understand the causes of climate change and take action to address it. Our future depends on it. The Earth's climate has always changed, but the current warming trend is happening much faster than in the past. The main cause of this rapid warming is human activity, particularly the burning of fossil fuels. Fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas release greenhouse gases when burned. Greenhouse gases trap heat from the sun, causing the Earth's temperature to rise. It's like wrapping the Earth in a thick blanket. Deforestation is another major contributor to climate change. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, acting like natural air purifiers. When forests are cut down or burned, this stored carbon is released back into the atmosphere, further contributing to the greenhouse effect. Our reliance on cars, trucks, and airplanes also contributes to greenhouse gas emissions. The industrial processes used to manufacture goods also release harmful pollutants into the atmosphere. All these human activities are altering the natural balance of our planet's atmosphere, leading to climate change. The consequences of climate change are far-reaching and profound. Rising global temperatures are causing glaciers and ice caps to melt at an alarming rate. This melting ice contributes to rising sea levels, threatening coastal communities worldwide. Extreme weather events are becoming more frequent and severe. Heat waves are lasting longer and becoming more intense, posing serious risks to human health. Droughts are becoming more common, leading to water shortages and impacting agriculture. Hurricanes and typhoons are gaining strength, causing widespread destruction and displacement. Section 4. Turning the tide: solutions for a healthier planet. Addressing climate change requires a global effort and a commitment to sustainable practices. We can all play a role in reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating the impacts of climate change. One crucial solution is transitioning to renewable energy sources. Solar, wind, and hydropower offer clean and sustainable alternatives to fossil fuels. Investing in renewable energy infrastructure and promoting energy efficiency measures are crucial steps in reducing our carbon footprint. Protecting and restoring forests is another essential strategy. Trees act as carbon sinks, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Reforestation efforts and sustainable forestry practices can help mitigate climate change and preserve biodiversity. Reducing our reliance on private vehicles is another important step. Public transportation, cycling, and walking are all sustainable modes of transportation that reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Investing in electric vehicles and developing sustainable transportation systems are crucial for a greener future. Every action counts. Our role in combating climate change. Combating climate change is not just the responsibility of governments and corporations. Each of us has a role. By making conscious choices, we can make a difference. Reducing energy consumption at home is effective. Use energy-efficient appliances and insulate homes. Choose sustainable products and reduce single-use plastics. Support businesses that prioritize sustainability. Educate ourselves and others about climate change. Share information and advocate for policy changes. Section 6. A call for collective action. The challenges posed by climate change are significant, but they are not insurmountable. By working together, we can create a more sustainable and resilient future for all. Governments must implement policies that promote renewable energy, energy efficiency, and sustainable practices. International cooperation is essential to address this global challenge effectively. Businesses have a responsibility to reduce their environmental impact and invest in sustainable practices. Innovation and collaboration will be key to developing and implementing climate solutions. Individuals can make a difference through their choices and actions. By embracing sustainable lifestyles, raising awareness, and advocating for change, we can collectively contribute to a healthier planet. The time for action is now. The future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. Let us work together to create a world where both people and nature can thrive for generations to come.